After decades of transforming hair and confidence around the world, Shaun and Josef are bringing their artistry to women ready for their next chapter. This is Radiant ReStyle.
Hello, we're Josef and Shaun Settle, back
are.
with Radiant ReStyle Collective, and we're here to discuss, during our Martini Makeover, one of our episodes that we shot.
This episode that we're going to trailer today is our episode we shot with an amazing woman. We found out so much about her. She's actually going to be coming back for something else. You'll see her again, but her name is Cathy, and she was a lot of fun.
She was fun. We introduced our new family member, Cavalli, our little puppy, to her. I think she was really going to take him home.
I do think she wanted to. We kind of joked with her and said, free puppy with a makeover, and she's like, oh, yes. I'm like, oh, no. So we're here for business.
He was a beast that day. He's
a beast every day.
I may have sent him home that day.
So we're here for one reason, and we're going to do it's called Martini and Makeover for a reason, where we have a martini, we sip a little cocktail before we go home, go to bed, start the day again tomorrow, and then we talk about our makeover. So it was my week to make the martini.
Don't shake too hard.
And I call my martini the Triple G. It's a great gin and grapefruit.
Ooh.
Great gin and grapefruit. So
I'm shocked because you're not usually a gin drinker. I'm a gin drinker.
But if you use a nice smooth gin with a kind of a little sweetened grapefruit, it's really delicious.
Okay,
I think
I'm excited.
We're gonna see. Well, let's shake it up. Oh, it's wanting to pop up at me. Oh, look at there.
It looks pretty. I like the color.
Well, I chose that color for you.
Aw,
Yes,
that's
I'm
special.
sweet like that. So cheers. Let's get started on Cathy. I'm going to need a minute.
Actually, that's really good.
That's really good.
That is really good.
You know what this was? Summer. You're probably watching this maybe into summer already or coming up on summer. This is your summer go-to cocktail.
A nice cool drink.
So refreshing. I will warn you, don't drink more than maybe 1, 2. No more than 2. So cheers again.
Here's to you.
All right, well, we're here for a reason, and we're going to talk about a little bit about Cathy's episode. But what we want to first do here before we get started is we want to show you a trailer, a couple highlights that were in the episode, and then talk about why we did them and who they did them and when it's coming out. So we're excited. All right, let me hit start on this. All right.
When Joe and Shaun get done with your makeover, what are you expecting? What do you want to get out of it?
I want my hair to be completely different.
Today is get a haircut, get a puppy.
Get a puppy. Oh,
Free makeover.
So you want a puppy?
Puppy with a
People wear the colors that they feel the best in or are most complimented in, which is usually their family that they fall in.
I think I look 10 years younger.
And she's going to tap you on the shoulder, and then you'll turn around and you will see the transformation of beautiful Cathy.
What did you think of that? Wait till you see it, the whole episode. If you thought those highlights were amazing, wait till you see the full episode.
Yes.
You got to see Cavalli.
You got to meet Cavalli, our new family member.
Yeah.
And you got to see some really cool educational parts too.
Yeah.
We did a lot of education for her and for you, hopefully our viewers, to learn about their color families and all those things. So I think it's been a good episode so far. We enjoyed it.
And I know we've got her face blocked out because we can't give you everything in the trailer. You wouldn't come back and watch the show, but you can see even through the cloudy look that it's going to be an outstanding makeover. Yes. And then, what's our favorite part of the makeover?
The beginning, the end, and the middle.
But the reveal.
The reveal is always the favorite, yes.
And Cathy's husband was no different.
It's my favorite.
I love their reactions.
Yes. The reaction is what really it makes me feel good about why we do this, why we we do what we do, and it's amazing. I mean, I definitely feel like we have yet to see anybody disappointed. We've yet to see anybody mate or family not like what we've done. So it's promising.
We got no criers up to this point. Watch them knock on wood on that one.
Well, you got me with candy.
Nice. Sean, of course you would cry. But I had to go back to the day of Cathy's episode and just give you a little preview of what my life was like.
It was a little crazy.
I was rushed to get up. We decided to do an early filming day that day, and we rushed to get up and get going. I didn't even want to get out of bed. And then, of course, in my rushing, I forgot to bring some AV system that is needed, like cameras and microphones. So I live about 25 minutes from here. So back down to where I lived, got it, driving. Well, we won't even talk about the speed I was going.
I'm sure you were flying. I'm sure you were well past the speed limit.
So anyways, on the interstate, I hear like a clunk, and in my head, I thought, oh, great, watch me get a flat tire. Well, then pops up, tire. And it was at, when I went, like pops up, it was at 19, and it went to 15 without going like 3 seconds. So needless to say, got our first exit, and had to sit there for 2 hours waiting on someone to come help me change it because I couldn't even figure out how to get to the spare. But with all that said, yeah.
And you were so calm about it too.
I am very calm. But as you watch the episode, if you see some tenseness in my face, just know,
that we made it through. We made it through.
So as we know, what Shaun always says, be the best you.
Well, first of all, you have to be a
call for the ride share.
Ride share. And here's to, I want to clean again. Here's to me liking the first martini you've made.
That's a big moment right there. Wow. Okay.
So remember, be the best you can be. And we love you guys.
Love you guys.
Love you.